Good evening. It's time once again for the Barry Bird Show. Tonight, Barry covers this week's Toaster City Town Council meeting. But first, this brief commercial message.
Hey there, thinking about buying a pet? How about a dog? Maybe a cat? What about a bird? Okay, I can see you're looking for something just a little bit different. Oh, what you need is a ferret. That's right, a ferret. Now just watch this short little video from the National Ferret Foundation to see just how cute and playful these little guys can be. Wow, look at all that energy. If you could harness it, you could power Toaster City for a year, and they're just so adorable. Never a dull moment with these little fellas. Well, there you have it. Ferrets, America's favorite new pet. So don't delay, buy one today. And there he goes, one more happy ferret owner. Folks, remember, there's a ferret with your name on it. So go get yours today. Please note that ferrets are illegal in some states, but don't let those silly laws stop you from getting America's favorite new pet. A message from the National Ferret Foundation and this station.
Folks, I think if that guy had gone with the bird instead of the ferret, he'd be way better off. But hey, that's just me. Anyway, here we are at the Toaster City Town Hall, where you are about to see our government in action. So let's go listen in on the proceedings, shall we?
Ever since the founding of Toaster City, we've never had a homeless problem until now, and I want to do something about it.
Well, unfortunately, we don't have the funds to provide temporary housing for them, but I could contact the state to see if they have some money available for this purpose.
Sir, with all due respect, I don't want to see a single dollar of my taxes going to mollycoddle those bums. We need to round them up and give them a one-way ticket to California, where that bunch of commie liberals can deal.
We interrupt this program for a QBBS special report. America's Clown Crisis. Now here's correspondent Barry Bird.
Hi, folks. I guess you heard about the recent closing of the Bringling Brothers Circus, which is a total bummer. But it's even worse for that multicolored crazy that we know as the Clown. For years, he entertained millions with his way out and wacky antics. Now he is just another guy on the street. So what, you may ask, is a clown to do? Well, all is not lost. You see, instead of the unemployment line for Bobo here, he now qualifies for federal job retraining. Now here's a message from the people at Pi TT Tech to tell you more about it.
Well, here at Pi TT Tech, we offer vocational retraining programs specially designed to fit a clown's busy schedule. Our weekend and evening courses will prepare you for work in the following exciting and high-paying fields. Food service preparation. Order up. Computer repair. Hotel motel management.
Hey, Bozo, you got any rooms?
Yes, we do, ma'am. And each one comes with a free pie.
Enjoy. Dental hygienist.
Okay, now, rinse.
Next. And palm reader.
Oh, great one. What fortunes do you predict for me?
Lady, I see nothing but pie in your future. Okay, that'll be $50. So Clowns of America, don't despair. Pi TT Tech has a campus near you, ready to take your money and put you into a rewarding new career. Federal student loans available, and we're just a phone call away. Dial 1-700-666-JUMBO or www.sendintheclowns.org. Operators are standing by.
Wow, that's great. I love happy endings. You know, with the right training, a clown could even run for political office here in Toaster City. Speaking of which, I wonder how things are going at the town council meeting.
Very funny, Mr. Bird. But you won't be laughing so hard when I revoke your license for broadcasting fake news. I'll sue. I'll sue.
With that, meeting adjourned.
And with that, Our show is also adjourned for this week. So good night, everyone.
Wow, what a great show. We hope you enjoyed your evening with Barry Bird. Please tune in again next week. We have a wonderful show lined up for you. Thanks for tuning in, and good night, everybody.
Barry has left the building.